warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hai, we are
Sofia Citrasayanti,
Muhammad Rizal.
Putri Natasha Salsabila, and we are from class 12 since 1. Today we are going to make how to make healthy drinks. Kind of healthy drinks is like juice, coffee, milk, and tea. Let's begin.
Let's go.
Okay, first, to make orange juice, you will need 3 orange. Second, 1 tablespoon of sweetness condensed milk. And the third, ice cube, or you can use warm butter. And last, sugar. The addition of sugar can be adjusted to each taste. Next, let us show you the steps. First, peel the orange. Orange peel feels bitter, so if we don't throw it away, it will affect the taste of the orange juice we make.
The next, remove the seeds orange. Fruit seed will affect the texture of the juice later. This is not removed is the juice will feel raw.
put the orange in the blender. Don't blend orange juice for too long because it will run and make it stir quickly.
Add water, ice cube, and sugar. If you want to make warm juice, add warm water, not ice cubes.
This is
Don't forget to put in milk.
turn on the blender for about 3 minutes.
Then serve in your glass. You can decorate it with other fruit such as strawberry, grape, chocolate, and other.
That you know the steps. They are very easy and I hope you can try it at home and let us know how it's going by comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video. Good luck. Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next, let us show you the steps. First, peel the orange. Orange peel will